How to use text to image in Adobe Firefly. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. So now we're in this home section. Here you can find different tools that are available. Now slowly scroll down. Here you can find a section called text to image. Tap on text to image. So basically this is the place where you can enter the prompt and change it into the image. Here on the bottom there's a section of prompt. Simply tap on prompt, and here you can easily add the prompt and the thing that you want to generate. So here I'm pasting one, and after you do this, simply tap on this search icon. Simply tap on it and it's all set to go. So the image will be generated according to the prompt that you have just gave. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.